The future of construction is here, and it's brighter than ever. The Bay of Plenty has just crowned its top apprentices, and the talent on display is nothing short of inspiring. But here's where it gets controversial. Can these young builders truly redefine the industry, or are they just following in the footsteps of their predecessors? Let's dive in and find out. The Master Builders Carters Apprentice of the Year Bay of Plenty competition has unveiled its 2023 winners, and the results are in. Taking the top spot is Caleb Stuart from Waihī Beach, followed by Richard Murray of Tauranga in second place, and Georgia Rendall from Rotorua securing third. These apprentices didn't just stumble into the spotlight. They earned it through a rigorous process that tested their skills, knowledge, and passion for construction. To even qualify for the regional title, contestants had to submit a detailed portfolio of a project they were working on. And this is the part most people miss. After the submission, they faced a 2-hour practical challenge to build a planter box, a task designed to showcase their hands-on abilities under pressure. The top 10 finalists then underwent interviews with a judging panel and on-site project assessments, ensuring only the best of the best made it to the podium. Caleb Stuart, trained through BCITO and employed by Ignite Design and Build, impressed judges with his confidence, enthusiasm, and undeniable passion for construction. His submission wasn't just a project, it was a testament to his dedication. During the site visit and interview, Stuart's knowledge and skill shone through. He spoke effortlessly about his work, demonstrating a deep understanding of building processes. Judges praised his personable nature and professional demeanor, noting that he was a joy to evaluate. His focus, technical prowess, and high-quality results in the practical challenge further solidified his win. As the judges put it, Stuart's commitment to excellence and positive attitude guarantee him a bright future in the industry. Richard Murray, the second-place winner from J&L Build, was described as enthusiastic, capable, and professional. His submission highlighted a strong foundation in carpentry, excellent communication skills, and a genuine love for the trade. Murray's in-depth industry knowledge set him apart, proving he's not just a builder, he's a thinker. Georgia Rendall from Oswald Construction took third place with her unwavering professionalism and dedication. Judges noted that she arrived well-prepared at every stage, showcasing her commitment to her craft. Her submission and project exuded confidence and an infectious enthusiasm for carpentry, making her a standout competitor. Master Builders CEO Ankit Sharma emphasized that supporting apprentices is about more than just training. It's about building futures. Here's a thought-provoking question. As the industry evolves with new technologies, building systems, and regulations, are we doing enough to prepare the next generation for these changes? Sharma believes the competition proves the construction sector's future is in good hands. He highlighted the inspiring sight of young apprentices not only learning to build homes, but also to lead teams and deliver quality for communities across Aotearoa. Caleb Stuart will now advance to the national competition, where he'll face off against the top apprentices from other regions. The national event, held on October 9th and 10th at the Cloud in Auckland, includes a 45-minute interview with a national judging panel and a grueling 6-hour practical challenge. It's a chance for Stuart to prove he's not just the best in the Bay of Plenty, but one of the best in the country. So, what do you think? Are these young apprentices the future leaders of the construction industry, or is there more to the story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation.